Hey guys, how's it going? VR Lad here back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the multiplayer mod into Boneworks. Now this multiplayer mod will allow you to play with up to 12 friends online within any level within Boneworks, taking into account the physics as well. Now it's just important to note that this mod isn't fully fleshed out yet. It is still in early development, okay, so it's not going to be perfect. First of all, I'm going to ask you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified when I upload. But we're going to get straight into it and we're not going to waste any time. So first of all, what you're going to need is a copy of Boneworks, of course, and Discord. You're going to need to use this to send invites once a mod is installed, and you can also use it to troubleshoot any issues with regards to the mods. Also, what I would recommend is go into the description, read the description first, and copy links 1 and 2 into your internet browser. Okay, so first of all, step 1 is what we're going to do is we're going to copy this link number 1 from the description, into our internet browser. Okay, so this is going to allow us to install Melon Loader onto the game. Okay, and this is effectively sort of like a mod manager, if you will. So there's two ways in which to do this. Okay, so we've got the automatic installation and the manual installation. So I'm going to go through both with you right away. So first of all, the automatic installation, you're going to go down this page where it says automatic installation, and you're going to follow these steps. So you're going to download the Melon Loader installation script. You're going to click on that. That is going to show up as potentially an error. You want to keep on that and continue with the download. Okay, so now once that has been downloaded, you're going to open file location. You want to copy that. I already have it. You're going to go to your Boneworks file and you're going to paste it in your Boneworks file where all your main data is. So where your boneworks.exe is, you're going to paste that in there. Once that has been copied into the folder, you're going to double click it. Click run anyway, it is perfectly safe, and you're just going to run. Okay guys, so at present I've already got everything installed, so I've got an error here. Now I did get an error the first time I did it as well. So the error I got looked a bit like this. Okay, if you get that error, you could go to the Discord and ask the guys at the Discord for some help. Myself, I just continued with the manual installation. So if you click that, you double click that, you should get some messages on screen. But as soon as that's done, you will have Melon Loader installed on your Boneworks. Okay, if that's worked for you, you can skip later on in this video. A timestamp will be down below. However, if it hasn't worked for you, we're going to continue with the manual installation process. Okay, so what you're going to do next, then you're going to go down to manual installation, okay, which is here. Now this does look like a lot of stuff to do, but this only took me about 5 minutes to do the first time. So first of all, you're going to download this file. Just going to wait for that to download. So what you're going to do is you're going to show that in folder again. You're going to double click that, open that. And what you're going to do is you're going to highlight them and you're going to extract that into your Boneworks file. So you're going to drag that across there as so. I've already done it, so I'm just going to show you how to do it, but not actually do it myself. Next of all then, we're going to follow the next step, which is we are going to download the second file here. Okay, when that's downloaded, we're going to show that in folder once again. We're going to create a new folder inside the Boneworks file, and we're going to name that this file here. So the best thing to do is just copy it, go to the Boneworks folder, click new folder, there. What we're going to do then is we're going to go back to our file, which is the, I think that's LL2CPP dumper, which is this one. We're going to double click that, we're going to open that, and we're just going to highlight everything. We're going to extract, or we could just copy that over to this folder there. So like this, for example. Brilliant. Next of all, we're going to go for step 3. So that's all done at the moment. Now we need to replace the config file, the JSON file. Okay, so when you click on this, you'll get this message there. Now what I simply did is I clicked on it, I copied, I went to the JSON file here, and make sure that's once again in this folder. And then we'll double click open, we'll select all, paste, save, and close. So that's that step done now. Next of all, we need to download the next one. We're going to click on it as usual. It says you have to extract the files to a new folder named this. So once again, we'll copy, then we will go over to our Boneworks directory, we'll click new folder, and we'll paste that name in. Then it's just a simple case of extracting this to that folder in exactly the same manner we did before. So bring up the Boneworks folder, and paste. Right, so that's the majority of steps done now. We go down to the next step. So what we're going to need to do now, we're going to need to kind of put all this together. So we're going to go to our Boneworks folder. We're going to click File, and we're going to open Windows PowerShell. We are then we're going to copy and paste this into our Boneworks folder. We're not going to change anything. If you were using this for a different game, you would have to change the name, but we don't need to do that right now. So copy, and we're going to paste it into PowerShell, Control V, and press enter. Now obviously I'm going to get an error because I've already done this, so that's not an issue for me. That will work for you, and you won't see any errors on that then as well. We're then just going to go through and we're going to delete the folders that we created. So these 3 folders there, we're going to delete in here. So 1, 2, 3, and delete. And there we go. So that now is Melon Loader installed onto your Boneworks. So now all we need to do is work to get that multiplayer mod onto the game, get that set up so we can use in that. So next of all, what you'll need to do is go down in the description, or if you've copied those links before, go to the second link I did provide. Okay, and it'll be a Google Drives link. So you're going to click Control V, and you're going to paste that in. Now you're going to see this page. Now this effectively is the mod that we're going to do. What we need to do is download this. Google Drive can't scan this file for viruses. It is safe, like I say, so we can just download that anyway. So we're going to open up that folder as normal. We're going to take these, highlight them, open up our Boneworks file. We're going to move that across to our Boneworks folder. Now it's coming up, replace the file, because like I said, I've already done it. You wouldn't get this if you were doing it for the first time. So I'm just going to click skip by here because I've already done that, but just assume it has been done. You'll see a couple of files then just get added. And that's it, guys. When this is done, you have officially installed the Boneworks multiplayer mod. Now I'm just going to show you how it works and explain a little bit about how you can go about inviting your friends. Okay guys, so first of all, we're going to load up our Discord. Then we're going to go to our Steam and we're going to load up our Boneworks. And then once we're in game, we must select the level we want to play with our friends. Whilst in there, we can press the S key to create a server, or the C key in order to join a server. Bear in mind, the other players have to be in the same level as you. Now, once that's done, go to your Discord, click on where you want to invite your players and who you want to invite. And next to the text box, will change from this to this. This will allow you to send invites. I must reiterate, they must be using the same level as you. Once that's done, this will happen. Once that's done, they accept the invite, you will join a multiplayer game. And that's it, guys. You can now play Boneworks in multiplayer. Now, I just must quickly say that some other physics ain't working right, just due to the fact it is still a work in progress. There's some stuff that, you know, don't really interact and some stuff that does, but this will allow you to play that in full multiplayer. So guys, that's it for the tutorial today. If you like what you've seen, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I would appreciate it. I'm VR Lad, and I'll see you soon. Peace.